Assalamualaikum teman-teman, langsung aja. Redmi Note 9 series akhirnya diluncurkan secara global. Tunggu dulu, kalau kalian bilang, udah tahu bang, udah banyak yang review bang, udah lama bang. Nah mungkin yang kalian maksud itu adalah Redmi Note 9S. Ini yang dibahas di video ini beda lagi. Yang baru diluncurkan ini namanya Redmi Note 9 Pro sama Redmi Note 9 biasa. Nah, jangan salah kaprah lagi. Jangan disamakan dengan Redmi Note 9 Pro dan Redmi Note 9 Pro Max yang sudah lama diluncurkan di India. Oke, perbedaannya seperti ini. Redmi Note 9 Pro Global adalah Redmi Note 9 Pro Max di India. Kalau Redmi Note 9S adalah yang disebut Redmi Note 9 Pro di India. Nah, kalau Redmi Note 9 aja, itu baru. Kita lihat dulu acara peluncurannya yang sudah kami ringkas dan diberi subtitle versi OA Tekno.
Redmi Note 9 Pro is functional as it is good looking. So front and back, it's all protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so it survives everyday wear and tear. Redmi Note 9 Pro adopts a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, so the power button and the fingerprint sensor are integrated into one. Redmi Note 9 Pro is the 64 quad camera Pro. It comprises of 64 main camera, ultra-wide angle, macro, and depth sensor for portraits. Now, speaking of the front camera, we've also packed a 16-megapixel in-display front camera for gorgeous selfies. Redmi Note 9 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 720G, and it's built on 8nm process technology for better thermal efficiency. It also supports selected elite gaming features for an even more immersive gaming experience. And compared to the previous generation, we could see a tremendous upgrade for almost all aspects, notably CPU performance and AI performance. Next. A 2x2 MIMO Wi-Fi is also included for better signal and Wi-Fi coverage. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a huge 5020 mAh battery that easily lasts for more than 2 days. And this time, we're bringing Redmi Note's fastest charging ever. 30-watt fast charging. So 30-watt fast charging lets you charge from 0 to 50% in only 30 minutes. And we're also including the 33 fast charger in box. So here's a quick recap of the Redmi Note 9 Pro's flagship level performance. You have the Snapdragon 720G, great battery, great performance, fast charging. What more can you ask? So Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a Z-axis linear motor, giving a flagship level haptic feedback. So besides the flagship level haptic feedback, it also supports multifunctional NFC. So little details matter too. This time, Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a pre-installed screen protector, so you don't need to buy one separately. Redmi Note 9 Pro equals flagship level experience. You have awesome haptic feedback, NFC, splash-proof nano coating, and so much more. So with the Redmi Note 9 Pro, you truly get an ultimate flagship level experience. You have awesome design, bigger display, pro camera features, flagship level battery and charging. Now, for the price. I know you've all been waiting for this. So for the 64 variant, the recommended retail price for the Redmi Note 9 Pro is $269. And for the 6 plus 128 variant, the recommended retail price is $299. How are you feeling about that? So here it is once more in summary. 64 megapixel quad camera Pro. That's the Redmi Note 9 Pro. You've seen the Pro, and a couple of weeks ago, you've also seen the 9S. There's one more member of the family that's missing. Everyone, why don't we all welcome the global debut of Redmi Note 9. You get 48 megapixel high-res camera. You also have quad camera for any situation and a great selfie camera. And what's also good is that you get similar features as the Redmi Note 9 Pro, such as cinematic portraits, movie frame, and kaleidoscope. I'm really excited for you to try it out. Next, hotshot performance. Redmi Note 9 is the first phone to be powered by the Helio G85, and it's made for everyday mobile gamers. It comprises of 2 performance-driven cores up to 2 GHz and 6 power efficiency cores, so your phone is always ready. And last year, we launched a Redmi Note 8, and it's leading the pack in the mid-range segment, obtaining an Antutu score of almost 170,000. And this time, Redmi Note 9 is even better, with up to 21% increase in performance. Redmi Note 9 also comes with a huge battery that'll easily last you for more than 2 days of use. Some people like to describe this as insane battery life. So you get 11 hours of gaming, 17 hours of video playback, 7 hours of video recording. It's truly a battery powerhouse. And to top it off, Redmi Note 9 also includes 18-watt fast charging, and the fast charger is also included in box. So NFC support will be available for selected markets. And essential features such as headphone jack, nano coding, 2+1 SIM slots, and IR blaster are all included on the Redmi Note 9 because we know our fans love it. So for the 3 plus 64 variant, the recommended retail price is $199. Thank you. A hotshot phone with such great value. And for the 4 plus 128 variant, the recommended retail price is $249. Once more, here it is, side by side. I'm sure there's a Redmi Note 9 series power just for you.
Oke, udah nonton ya. Jadi untuk supaya lebih mudah lagi, saya buatkan tabel dengan spek yang penting-penting aja seperti ini. Sebelumnya supaya nggak bingung, kan tadi ada 3 pilihan. Nah, saya prediksi kalau masuk ke Indonesia, untuk Redmi Note 9S itu kemungkinan nggak dibawa karena beberapa alasan. 1, speknya itu ada di tengah-tengah, jadi nanggung. Bedanya itu ada di kamera utama sama charger. Kedua, alasannya adalah si Redmi Note 9S ini kan udah lama ada barangnya ya, udah lama diluncurkan. Walaupun gak lama-lama banget, tapi bahkan di Indonesia udah beberapa yang review versi BM-nya. Nah, kayaknya sih menurut saya ini Xiaomi Indonesia memang sengaja menunggu Redmi Note 9 dan Redmi Note 9 Pro rilis secara global. Jadi yang 9S sepertinya akan ditinggalkan. Nah, yang ketiga karena penamaannya memang sudah dari tahun lalu pun kan Redmi Note 8 dan Redmi Note 8 Pro. Jadi masuk akal kalau yang akan di bawah adalah kelanjutannya Redmi Note 9 dan Redmi Note 9 Pro aja. Nah, jadi yang 9S kemungkinan menurut saya akan ditinggalkan. Sekarang kan udah lebih jelas tuh ya, udah cuma ada 2 pilihan. Yang Pro menggunakan Snapdragon 720G dan Redmi Note 9 aja, Redmi Note 9 biasa, menggunakan Helio G85. Ini setupnya jadi kebalikan sama yang tahun lalu. Kalau yang tahun lalu itu yang biasa menggunakan Snapdragon, Redmi Note 8, dan Redmi Note 8 Pro justru menggunakan MediaTek. Nah, tahun ini dibalik. Kalau soal layar masih sama ya, menggunakan IPS LCD. Karena sepertinya di Xiaomi itu untuk yang AMOLED, dia ngasih ke seri Mi. Jadi Redmi ini memang seri kiri-horinya lah, bisa dibilang seri budgetnya. Jadi untuk yang Redmi hanya menggunakan IPS LCD 60Hz aja, jadi nggak 90Hz. Nggak disebutkan sih paling nggak tadi ya. Nah, untuk menjawab pertanyaan paling banyak dari teman-teman, iya, Redmi Note 9 Pro ada NFC-nya, dan yang menarik tadi disebutkan Redmi Note 9 itu ada NFC tapi hanya untuk beberapa market tertentu. Jadi belum tentu yang masuk Indonesia nanti ada NFC-nya. Kalau melihat tahun lalu sih yang seri biasanya yang nggak Pro itu nggak ada NFC-nya. Baiklah, itu dia informasi yang bisa kami sampaikan mengenai Redmi Note 9 series ini. Semoga menjawab pertanyaan teman-teman yang di video saya bahas tentang Redmi Note sebelumnya, itu banyak yang penasaran. Tapi kalau masih ada yang penasaran juga, silahkan tulis aja pertanyaan di kolom komentar. Terima kasih udah nonton, sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Stay safe, selamat berpuasa, dan wassalamualaikum.